flow prediction contest is on now. Buy your ticket by Sunday, May 10th at 11:59 p.m. Whoever guesses the closest date and time at the Gypsum Gauge will win a Jackson Kayak Rockstar 4.0. The cubic feet per second guess will be the tiebreaker. There are 10 prizes in all, so you have multiple opportunities to win. In addition to the grand prize, we have a 3-day guided river trip with Centennial Canoe, a G Loomis fly rod, a $500 dining certificate to any Vail Resorts restaurant, and more. Tickets are $20 or 3 for $50. No limits on tickets, so increase your odds of winning by buying more. And just remember that the funds raised go to support the Watershed Council's stream restoration projects and education programs. Learn more, check out the historic flow data and current conditions, all on our website at erwc.org, and that's where you can buy your tickets. And remember to buy them by Sunday night. And a huge thanks to our prize donors. That's Jackson Kayak, Centennial Canoe, G Loomis, Epic Promise, Downriver Equipment, Fish Pond USA, Air, Orvis, and Yeti. Thank you so much to our donors and to all of you that buy a ticket, and good luck.